All right, we got most of the flooring in. And got into the kitchen. That's what we're working on right now. And we just got the call. The appliances are an hour out. So I got to finish up this space right here in about an hour. So hopefully we can do it. But one way or the other, by the end of the day, we're going to have appliances here. I got most of the flooring in just in time for when they arrived. I was still doing some patchwork down here, so I didn't get that floor in. And we got to work on this before we put the range in. I forgot how tight it is going to be back there with the refrigerator and the range. Kind of awkward, but it'll work. Starting to work on the microwave. So yeah, we got the microwave in, but it just doesn't fit. It won't open. It's going to hit the wall. The old one fit, but the new one we got with the package deal isn't going to work. So it's back shopping for a new microwave that'll fit. Most of them don't look like they will. It's so small. Getting a little worried, but we found one, only one, that'll fit a 90-degree corner into the wall. Yeah, I think this is gonna work.
It's rounded off right there.
Yeah. Success. Now this thing's gonna hit. But that's alright. Alright. It works. Yeah, the plumbers come in and they retrofitted the shower and tub. It was leaking, the valves were leaking, but now it works, no leaks. See? It looks pretty dirty. Which chandelier? Alright, come on, bring your reenactment.
Pretending?
Alright, you pretend like you're holding that up right there. Alright, ready? Alright. Alright, looks good, huh? Looks good.